Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through both major talking points and features of the interior and exterior. I will also go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, pop the roof up, allow you to have a look at that in action, and also run through a couple of the interior features in a bit more depth. The vehicle itself is a 430i M Sport convertible, and it's presented in the fantastic mineral grey. Alongside that, we've added the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. The vehicle also comes with the 19-inch optional extra 442M alloy wheels, which we've had professionally refurbished in the bi-colour jet black alloy wheels. You will see behind those alloy wheels the M Sport Plus brakes. That is thanks to the vehicle being equipped with BMW's M Sport Plus pack, which we'll get onto what other items that includes very shortly. So with our walk-arounds, we do hope it will bring you an informed decision on purchasing your next vehicle, and of course hope it aids within that. At the front of the car, you'll see it is a 2017 17 plate, so we get these very nice angel eye xenon headlamps. You will also see the gloss kidney grills and the matching front splitter. Down the side of the car, you'll see the gloss black air breathers, gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals, and already that very eye-catching and striking coral red Dakota leather, thanks to of course having the roof down. Another feature we've added to this car is the gloss black mirror caps, as you can see there, and we'll go on for our first glance at the interior. So in the front, we've got the electric movement and memory for the front seats. Also, you get the heated seat function on this vehicle, along with the very nice Harman Kardon surround sound, once again thanks to that Plus pack. The rear seats for the convertible 4 Series is the Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with that centre folding armrest, and you'll see there that these rear seats look like they've never even been sat in, and the rest of the interior condition is very nice indeed, and of course is a very spacious, comfortable place to be. And we'll make our way around very shortly towards the rear of the car, again showing you off those very nice alloy wheels. And of course another feature we've added to this car is both the gloss rear boot spoiler and matching diffuser, and these very nice extra aero canyards, which you can see here, which again give a very different and much more aggressive look to the rear of this 430i convertible. We've also got a rear facing reversing camera on this car, which of course I will show you when I step inside very shortly. Now of course a lot of convertibles, the boot space can be compromised, and you're thinking, well, it's exactly the same on this car currently. However, BMW think of everything, giving you this little rocker switch, which will allow you to raise the boot out of the closed position temporarily to, of course, give you full access to your boot storage. But of course, it does mean you don't have to fold the roof all the way closed again, should you not want to gain access to all of your luggage capacity, which is definitely one of the largest in the class. And as you can see, that goes right the way back to the rear of the seats. And there is also storage to the left and right hand sides. And we'll close that down and everything folds nice and neatly back away to again reveal the stunning convertible look for the 4 Series. And now everything is folded away nice and neatly. I'll close the soft close boot down, move around to the other side of the car, where again I can just demonstrate how nicely presented this stunning convertible is, before I head on inside to of course just run through a couple of the features and functions of this vehicle. So now I'm sat inside the car, and we'll just show you we've also got the power fold mirror option equipped to the car, as you can see there. And we'll go ahead and start it up, and we're immediately greeted by the professional wide navigation and media screen. Currently displayed, we have the DAB. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs, covering everything from your AUX, USB input, down to the Bluetooth audio, and being the professional screen, we also get music collection as well, which is where you can store and rip music to the vehicle. The sat-nav feature on this car is again a very user-friendly system, and definitely one of the best on the markets, giving you real-time traffic updates as well to keep you on the fastest route possible. Again, just running through a couple of the features there, you can see the screen for pairing your devices for Bluetooth audio and telephone. And going back to the main menu, you can see we've got the newer iDrive software, where everything is kept nice and neatly into little sub-menus. This vehicle has covered the very low mileage of just over 24,000 miles. Also has the superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. And if we click through and take a look at the vehicle service information, you'll be able to see there that the next oil service is due in 10,000 miles and does come with full BMW service history, as you can see again on screen now. Bearing in mind the service intervals for the BMWs is every 20,000 miles or 2 years. So I'm just going to pop the roof up, which again, a very easy thing to do using this little rocker switch, which we just push forward, and it can be done of up to speeds of up to 15 miles an hour. So again, if you do get caught out in a bit of a rain shower, which is not unlikely here in the UK, this can get you out of that sort of situation very quickly. And being a quick operated roof, can be done at a set of traffic lights. And there you go, we've got the audible noise to let me know that's completed. There is that rear facing reversing camera I was mentioning earlier. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. And of course, if you do have any questions or comments, please do drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You will also find all of the relevant contact information and website links in the description, where you can check this vehicle out in even more detail, and of course get in touch with us here at Your Next Car. Thanks again for taking the time to watch the video. Most of all though guys, we really do hope to see yourselves very soon here at Your Next Car. Do of course take care, thank you and goodbye.